Here and come through Sweethome, Oregon, home of White's Electronics. Been around a long time making metal detectors, and we decided to slip on in here and pay them a visit. Hello, Carl.
Hello, Tom. How you doing?
You gonna give us the run through here at White's?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Yeah, I was here 20 years ago, and it's been 20 years since I've been here.
Metal detecting has changed a lot in the last 20 years. But one of the nice things that White's has is a museum where you can take a look at some of the old metal detectors way back when.
Holy cow, look at the size of this machine.
It's huge, isn't it?
It's huge.
That's
the knobs and the buttons.
It's an old BFO. It's almost like they were trying to see how many knobs they could get on these things. I don't know, but we started out in the around 1950 or so. Ken did Geiger counters originally for uranium hunters, and then migrated toward metal detectors.
All kinds of stuff. Here's a big coil here.
Yeah, that's an accessory loop for one of the White's detectors.
I had a White's jacket like that too.
I still have one.
Yeah?
Just like that, yeah, hanging in my closet.
Yeah, I had one like that. I wore quite a bit, I remember. All the little guns. Boy, just a lot of really cool stuff to see here in the museum.
There's some of the other water detectors up top there.
Yeah,
including the Treasure Master, and
well,
that would have been probably around 1960 or so.
1960, underwater detectors.
Yeah.
How about we go over to, can we see the factory side of it?
Oh, yeah,
see where you guys making it? I've heard about a new metal detector you guys are coming out with too.
Already out.
Already out, huh?
Yeah.
They say you have to learn from the past and look to the future. And that's definitely true when it comes to electronics. Always seems like there's something new out there on the horizon.
So this is our new vision detector. So as you can see, we have a new full color VGA screen. We have several features on this detector. One is that we have a true 3-frequency display, so you see the graph for all 3 frequencies individually and can determine a lot of phase information from that. Another feature that we have on this is a live control bar, and so while you are hunting, if you want to increase the sensitivity, you can do that as you're hunting. You don't have to stop, go to a menu somewhere, find settings that you want to change. You can change them on the fly. You can change the contents of the live control bar to contain anything you want. If you want to add SAT speed for prospecting, you can do that, no problem. We can also, for example, change frequencies from 3-frequency to a salt mode or to any of the individual frequencies.
Now, why do you go to a salt mode?
Salt mode would be for wet salt sand hunting, and we have a balance mineralization and salt, which typically can only be done in multi-frequency machines. It does cost a little bit of depth, so we have salt mode separated from the normal 3-frequency mode so that you can choose one or the other. If you're not hunting in salt sand, then just run it in the normal 3-frequency. Vision is also very configurable. We have a full menu system in the detector that allows you to change anything you want, including the color scheme. If you don't like the color scheme, you can change that.
Can I download movies on there and watch movies while I'm detecting?
We're working on that feature. that will pretty soon you'll be able to watch the gold show on here and while you're hunting for gold. But
you know, I'm laughing, but I'm thinking, I'll bet you're not BSing. You're probably ain't gonna be long.
It won't be long, probably. So,